Africa Content TV.
We will enjoy ourselves 100%. I'm presenting this award to Senator Dr. Ndoma Ekwa, Courtesy Entertainment, for his groundbreaking performance.
And we want the Vice Chancellor to decorate them. Lala and Oshuba as Grand Patron of Nile Southwest. Sir, Femi Adebayo, Jagu. Please, we need you there as our Grand Patron as well. Grand Patron of Nile Southwest. Lẹ́kùn méje ẹ̀wọ̀ owó dákúdákúrẹ́ káwọn kò ní sí lọ́yẹ̀ àmì bàbá rẹ̀ padà bí èmi. Father, we want to use this opportunity to tell you today that our home brother and uncle, Lala and Oshuba, henceforth, they are going to be a grand patron of Nile Southwest. We celebrate you today. Sir, I would like you to present